Ouais. It's cold. Anyway, hello, here we are. Another cold evening. The truck is ready for Saturday, so we are playing with a Mini. If you'll remember the last video I'd done ages ago on the Mini, I went to fit the windscreen and I'd ordered the wrong window seal. So I've now ordered the correct one, which as you can see has been fitted, which means it's the right one. So now I'm just going to try and get the screen in itself. Got my bottle of soapy juice up there, and I'll spray that the whole way around because that makes it easier to squeeze the rubber over. And then yeah, see if we can get it in. Cheers. Shadow man going on. So as some of you will have noticed, it's daylight compared to being nighttime when we started doing that windscreen. Yeah, it didn't go quite to plan. Probably the fact that it was 6 degrees outside, that rubber was stiff as anything. We took the rubber about 3 or 4 times all different ways, all different angles. I say we, my dad and my brother come out and give us a hand. Yeah, I think it took us about 3 hours in the end. But yeah, windscreen's in. Still got to put the fillet in there, because obviously it's still a bit pushy at the minute, but I've got the tool to do that, so that shouldn't be too hard. But I'm just going to pull the plastic off the perspex, and then yeah, crack on. Everyone loves a perspex window, don't they? Super race car, that is. Minto. Let's crack on. Well, here we are then. It's been quite a while since me, Dad and Scott fitted the windscreen to the Mini. Willow's here for a bit of companionship, eh? But we've now got to get the fillet into the windscreen shield. Windscreen rubber. So that's going to be what my plan is now, and then we'll see what else we can get done. We've got this handy little tool from Mini Spares. Poke that in, wiggle it about, open that seal up, and hopefully just push the fillet in. Well then, silence. That is something I don't want to have to do again. Filleting a windscreen. Oh, me, Clubman. Done though. Right. Anyway, that's us done. That's a goodbye from me and a goodbye from Willow. That's the windscreen in. I don't want to have to change that windscreen again. Looks like that cool little blue shading at the top. But yeah, if you're still enjoying these, hit like, share, subscribe, hit the bell at the bottom for your notifications, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.